Besgo valves are pneumatic valves that are easy to control and safe to operate. The control pressure is 3.5 to 6 bar, and either water or air can be used as pressure source. This installation video covers the 5-way valve for filtration and backwash, as well as the 3-way valve for various switchover functions. First of all, decide if you want to operate Besgo with water or air pressure. If used with water pressure, a fine pre-filter must be installed to protect the solenoid valve from contamination of small particles. A pre-filter installation unit is offered separately for that purpose. If you choose air pressure, you will need an air compressor to operate the valve. To switch over, the solenoid valve is activated for the duration of the switchover. The circulation pump does not have to be switched off for the switchover process. However, if used with air pressure, it is advisable to switch off the circulation pump during the switchover process to avoid pressure hammers. The active switchover can be identified at the red LED light on the solenoid valve. The maximum operating pressure is 7 bar. All valves are made of PVC, stainless steel 316 and ozone-resistant seals. All Besgo valves have to be glued on the outside, not on the inside. Otherwise, glue can get into the valve and reduce functionality. Besgo valves should always be installed with detachable connections, such as screw connections or flanges. This makes service work or replacement easy. Our 5-way valve, also called backwash valve, has to be installed as follows. The top connection D is the sewer line, C the pump connection, and E the return line with the filtered water. A is the connection for the raw water, i.e. the filter inlet, and B is the connection for the filtered water, i.e. the filter outlet. We have different valves with different dimensions between connections A and B. For many filters, you can therefore install the valve directly onto the filter. This is not possible with larger filters, but no problem, because the connecting pieces can be adjusted so that you can adapt the installation to the filter. How does this work? Simply loosen 3 of the 4 pull rods and remove the 4th rod. Then all connections can be turned by 90 degrees. The valves can also be mounted directly to the wall. This is highly recommended for big valves. Only ports A and B are connected to the filter. This is a simple and clean-looking installation. The concept of the 3-way valves is as follows. The middle connection A is permanent and without change of direction. Connection B is always open when there is no current on the solenoid valve. Connection C is only open when you have current on the solenoid valve. The 3-way valve is ideal for rinsing and other functions, such as an economy mode for overflow pools or switching of 2 water attractions with only 1 circulation pump. Besgo valves are available in different sizes. A 4-2 solenoid valve with an inner diameter of 6 mm is installed on the very large DN125 valves. We recommend operation of the big valves with water pressure. When air pressure is used, the supplied reducer must be installed. This prevents the valve from switching too quickly and creating pressure hammers. This was our installation guide for Besgo 3 and 5 valves.